Hello everyone, and welcome to the tutorial of our What Umong Enjoy app. First of all, let's navigate to the app. This is the home page. We try to make it as simple as possible for ease of use. As you can see here, we have 3 buttons: General Information, Read QR Code, and Quiz. Let's start with the most basic thing, General Information. To navigate there, just tap on it. It will show you the topics of information we developers provide. To get more information on a certain topic, just tap on it. For example, in this case, the history. It will show all the details we provide along with a larger picture. You can also scroll down for more. ACM EDS. Let's go back to the home page to see other features. Let's move on to the next one. We'll talk about quiz now. We have 2 modes for quiz. We have classic quiz and time trial. For classic quiz, we have 20 questions. Whenever you answer correctly, the button will be green and your score will be added on the top right. In contrast, if you answer it wrong, the button will be red and no score added on the top right. For example, this. Let's move on very quickly. After you have finished all the questions, your score will be summarized and shown. You can always redo it by tapping on the top right redo button to start over. And you can always stop doing the quiz by tapping home. It takes you back to the quiz home. The time trial now is similar to classic quiz apart from the fact that it has time limit. Let's move on to the next one. Read QR code, which is our main feature. To read a QR code, just tap on it. As you can see, it's quite blurry here. This is because the camera is not yet enabled with autofocus. Go back and enable it if your phone has it. And try again. If you find any QR code, the color box will be shown. You just tap on it to get more information about it. Now let's go back. If you want to use Flash, which is useful in some scenario, for example, you are in a tunnel, just enable Flash and read QR code. Your camera's flash will be enabled. And that's all about our What Umong Enjoy app. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.